Today, I want to talk about guilt. And for that, I'm gonna put my lips closer to the camera and ask you, did you have any sexual associations with these lips? If yes, according to your upbringing and society, you are guilty for having these thoughts that are so natural to all of us. So natural to all of us that they should be celebrated. I have been working with guilt for quite a while now and decided to come to the root, meet the root and transform it. And so who I met was a very young version of myself, a 4-year-old self that was told guilty for something she didn't do. And because she believed from that moment on that something is wrong with her, everything she would do until my adult self would feel like it is wrong, or she must be guilty for her desires, for her needs, for her wants, for her choices. Meeting that 4-year-old, I told her, actually, you are completely innocent. All you are feeling is nature's desires, and it's your birthright to go after what you really want. So I encourage you all today to close your eyes and meet that child inside yourself that feels guilty for something that they are innocent for. To take it into your arms and to remind it of its power. And just keep your lips moving whilst you do it.